Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and I have an exciting announcement. I am participating in Smaugust this year. I just had to eventually do it. I love drawing dragons. I love creating like really cool, epic, different dragons. And I wanted to do another dragon challenge. I know I'm fresh off the 100 dragon challenge, but it seems like you guys really enjoy all of my dragon designs. So I was like, why don't we do a month of digitally drawn dragons for Smaugust? So next month for Smaugust, I made my own challenge list that I'm really excited to use. I just had this idea for a really long time and I just never have been able to execute it, but I'm really excited to do it for this year's Smaugust. So basically what this will be is Roll for Dragon. That's gonna be the Smaugust 2024 prompt list. And here it is, if it's already not on the screen. Basically what I'm going to be doing is every day in Smaugust, I'm going to be rolling for random chance of what the dragon design is going to be. So we're going to be using a D6 to determine which type of dragon it is. So we have European, Asian lung, wyvern, worm, drake, and lindworm as our base dragon types. And then in the second step, we're going to roll a D100 twice. So from this, I'm going to get two characteristics that I will have to combine with the base dragon type to make our day's dragon. I also wanted to say thank you to all of my friends in the community for submitting so many amazing trait ideas. We have so many to pick from, and I have a feeling we're going to have a lot of really cool combinations and a lot of very chaotic combinations. So with this, I'm going to be posting basically a daily video showing every one of my dragons, both here on YouTube, and then we're also going to have it on TikTok and the Instagram Reels. And then at the end of the week, I'm going to do a bigger process video here on YouTube where I'm going to go over basically like the reasoning behind certain design choices or tell you more about maybe some fun abilities these dragons would have. So if you would like to participate with me in next month's Smaugust, I would love to see what dragons you create. Over on my Discord, we're going to be creating a special channel where everyone can post their dragons that they make every day or every week, whatever amount you're able to do. And then you're welcome to post them on social media under hashtag KMRollForDragon. Make sure to tag my page as well because I know Instagram recently like nuked their hashtag pages. They suck. So if you would like any of your dragons featured, make sure to tag me, put it under the hashtag, or put it on the Discord server. I would love to feature your guys' designs in the videos that I'll be making for Smaugust, so make sure to post them, tag me, all those things, and I'll do like a little community gallery thing within the videos. So I'm very excited for Smaugust. This is going to be a very fun month of dragons. So starting August 1st all the way to the end of the month, we're going to be just drawing a ton of dragons, so be ready for that. I'm really excited to make all of these YouTube videos and all these shorts. I think it's going to be really cool and really fun to have this type of challenge. Like, I know I usually did like Inktober and a few other challenges, but I'm just excited for Smaugust. I mean, I love dragons, so I cannot not be excited for Smaugust. But either way, thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you'd love to participate, remember to use the hashtag, tag me, join the Discord, whichever works best for you. And I am excited to make so many dragons next month. Feel free to share my Roll for Dragon list as well with any of your friends. I have it currently live on social media right now, so you're welcome to share it and get other art friends of yours to participate. So again, thank you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.